With Srizfly, training for oil and gas inspections has never been more efficient. Let's begin with pump jack inspection. Our simulator provides a full range of training modes, from guided training to assessment mode. With Srizfly, you'll learn how to inspect key components such as valves, oil outlets, pump rods, and more. Srizfly comes with a dynamic defect library, allowing you to set up common defects, such as oil leakage, and belt aging for real-time practice. Now, let's move to tank inspections. Like the pump jack, Srizfly allows you to simulate real-world inspections with precise steps and photo quality checks. Set up and detect defects like corrosion, cracks, and deformations with Srizfly's customizable defect library. Finally, let's look at flare stack inspections. And just like the pump jack and tank inspections, Srizfly's dynamic defect library includes common flare stack issues. Such as deformations, corrosion, switch seamlessly between visible light and infrared views to capture all details, whether it's heat patterns or structural defects.